Illustrators, happy Easter! In honor of the holiday, we are going to learn how to draw an Easter Bunny character today. So go ahead and get your drawing materials together and we'll get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our Easter Bunny characters. The first thing we want to do is draw a slightly curved line, and that will be for the top of our Easter Bunny's head here. And next we want to add the rest of the bunny's face by drawing a slightly skewed letter U. All right, we'll add 2 ears next. 1. And we'll do this inside of the ear as well. 2. The next thing we'll do is work on Bunny's face. So we're going to start with the nose, which is basically an upside down triangle shape. And the eyes are 2 ovals. 1, 2, and we'll add 2 pupils in here. And you'll notice that I left a little spot of the paper showing through, and that creates an eye highlight area there. Now for Bunny's smile, we're going to do an open mouth smile. So we'll start with the top of the smile, and then we'll add a U shape. And we want to see 2 little teeth in here, which I think is super cute. And then you can fill in around those teeth there. And we need some whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we need 2 eyebrows. All right, now we're going to work on Bunny's body, which is basically a triangle shape because our bunny is sitting down. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to see the bottom of Bunny's foot. With little detail in here for like the pads of the foot there. And a little line to indicate the leg. All right, now we'll add Bunny's first arm. And Bunny's tail. And the second arm is going to be holding the egg. Little details there. And then your egg shape is basically an oval, but you want to make it wider at one end than the other. And then Bunny's other leg will be stretched out here. So we'll start with a line. Come up to add a foot. And then back to make the rest of the leg. All right, now we get to add some background details. So of course you can add some more eggs. I'm gonna put a carrot and some flowers in here too. So I'm gonna start with some flowers. So we have a stem, and then we have to make our petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. And if you want, you can also give Bunny a snack for later. So we can draw a carrot. So feel free to add in some more flowers, some more carrots. Maybe you want to add eggs and decorate all of them. It is totally up to you. All right, illustrators, there we have our Easter Bunny scene. Now we get to add some color. So go ahead and grab some markers, crayons, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our Easter Bunny illustrations. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, there we have our Easter Bunny characters. Great job today. I hope that you all had a lot of fun and have a very happy Easter. I'll see you next time right back here on Art with Ashley B. Bye.